Let's talk about money. How much does it really cost to create an outdoor living space with a patio, seating wall, fire pit, some light landscaping versus, say, a half bathroom? Half bathroom is probably a good $12,000 to $25,000 inside a house. Guess what I can put together for $12,000 to $25,000? An outdoor living space. Guess what you're gonna get? An outdoor living space. So here's what we're dealing with. You've seen this before, right? You got the concrete pad, a bunch of table and chairs and furniture that the couple took from their last house, and they're thinking it's gonna be a beautiful patio, an outdoor space, and there's no room. This is because home builders put all the money on the inside, they put nothing on the outside, and I'm here to solve that problem. Here's what I wanna do. Get that concrete out of there. I wanna find out how big does the client want this space. We're gonna go with about 22 by 30, pretty decent sized paver patio. We got a seating wall. We're gonna put a fire pit in that is gas run, so we're gonna have to hire a plumber to go out there, put that in, make sure that we don't blow the house up. I don't mess with that stuff. I make sure it's done by a professional when it comes to that. There's nothing wrong with subbing out work to make sure everybody is safe and doesn't catch on fire. Pro tip number one, when you're selecting your pavers, you can have fun with them. What I mean by this is you take the pavers and the majority of it is gonna be a certain paver. But after that, start thinking about, well, what do I wanna put on the patio? In this particular case, we got a fire pit. So what we can do is take the paver that we're having to border around the entire patio to make it pop. And we can also put that around the fire pit and make that stand out even more. It's just little finishing touches that you can do that make it look extraordinary. It takes it to the next level. Pro tip number two, now we got our patio in, we got our cool sailor border of that cobblestone paver that makes it pop, and we also got it around the fire pit ring. When you're putting the seating wall together, you can go with the standard caps that go with that retaining wall block, or you can upgrade it a little bit and put on a limestone cap for the seating wall that matches with the limestone cap of the piers. It makes it pop a lot more, and believe it or not, they're not that expensive. You might spend an extra $300 to $400, but I'm telling you, in the long run, this is what is gonna set it off versus your standard patio that everybody else has. You know, the Joneses, keep up with the Joneses. Yeah, who cares? You are the Joneses. Pro tip number three has to do with the landscaping. When you're putting the landscape beds around the patio, you could go bigger, but if you wanna keep it simple, most of the time the area around the patio is gonna be completely destroyed, so it's a great opportunity to put in landscaping. You can get a better deal with your contractor, and if you wanna do something that's not just mulch, you can break it up by carving in different areas for some decorative gravel. We use Mexican beach pebbles here. It's not too expensive when you do smaller areas, but it's like an accent, and it makes the bed pop. It just, like I said, adds another element. It just makes it look to the nines. So now we got a beautiful patio. We gave you out some pro tips. Here's what I wanna do next. We're gonna go and look at the other side of the yard along the fence. What are we gonna do with the fence? Right now, we just got grass. I wanna go back there and I wanna put together a beautiful design. Catch is, you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I'm gonna put that video together and have 3 bonus tips that'll go with that. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, hit the alarm bell so you know when that video is coming out, and you stay tuned to all the pro tips and tricks that are gonna help you save time and money. I'm Bobby K, and I came to play.